Greetings, everyone, and welcome to this poster review. This is Alfred Saw speaking to you from Philadelphia in the United States, and today I'll be reviewing the poster entitled Systematic Literature Review of Neutralizing Antibody Immune Responses to Non-Vaccine Targeted High-Risk HPV Types Induced by the Bivalent and the Quadrivalent Vaccines. By way of introduction, the objective of this study was to conduct a systematic literature review to assess the consistency and durability of any cross-protective neutralizing antibody immune responses of the currently licensed bivalent and quadrivalent vaccines to non-vaccine HPV types that are targeted by the nonavalent vaccine, specifically HPV 6, 11, 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58. In methods, a structured search algorithm was developed with key search terms including cross-protection, cross-protect, cross-protective, cross-reactivity, cross-reactive, and various other terms that you can see. The inclusion criteria are shown in Table 1. More than 4,000 records were screened, of which 357 records were screened by full text. And in results, a total of 89 publications were found to report relevant cross-protection data, of which 18 publications were reporting antibody data that met inclusion and exclusion criteria. The study screening and selection criteria can be seen in Figure 1. Figures 2 and 3 show the rates of seropositivity in 3 different studies at 12 or 13 months following the first dose of vaccine. The regimens used included either 2 or 3 dose regimens of vaccine and compared the seropositivity rates at 12 or 13 months to the baseline rates of seropositivity for HPV types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58. Figure 4 shows neutralization seropositivity rates from 3 studies using the pseudovirion-based neutralization assay and the competitive Luminex immunoassay, comparing the bivalent vaccine and the quadrivalent vaccine, as well as the 9-valent vaccine for HPV types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58, at a time period of 7 months following the first dose. Panel B shows the results of the seropositivity rates for types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58 in the competitive Luminex immunoassay comparing the 9-valent vaccine to the quadrivalent vaccine. Panel C shows the results of the pseudovirion-based neutralization assay for types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58 that compared the quadrivalent to the bivalent vaccine. Figure 5 shows the seropositivity rates over time from month 7 to month 42 for HPV types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58 for the quadrivalent vaccine in Panel A and the 9-valent vaccine in Panel B. In the discussion, the 9-valent vaccine elicited near total seroconversion to HPV types 31, 33, 45, 52, and 58, with seropositivity remaining near 100% up to 24 months post-dose 1. In contrast, the bivalent and quadrivalent vaccination resulted in lower seroconversion levels for non-vaccine types, which waned over time. In conclusion, this systematic literature review shows the cross-reactive HPV antibody response among participants having received the bivalent or quadrivalent vaccines is partial and generally lower than the response elicited by direct protection from the HPV vaccine types included in the vaccine. In cases where a statistically significant cross-reactive immunological response do-over, in cases where a statistically significant cross-reactive immunological response is reported versus pre-vaccination levels, long-term data on persistence of the response remain to be demonstrated. And finally, cross-reactivity is not predictive of cross-protection and should not be used by itself as a way to assess public health value of a vaccine. Thank you.